Every fall, Stanford Earth offers Geosci 42, Landscapes and Tectonics of the San Francisco Bay Area. I'd say that our students come away with a fundamental understanding of how Earth processes shape the world that they interact with every day here at Stanford. COVID-19 has really thrown a challenge our way. With a field-based course like this, the return to any sense of a normal curriculum is so uncertain at this point. We've got to adapt. Without digital course content, we just can't teach it. Which is why we're pushing to move the course entirely online by going into the field this summer and capturing the content ourselves. We're really hopeful that we can make an excellent remote learning alternative for our students come fall.